Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and here we have another Hornby Class 43 unboxing. This time it's the Great Western livery, and this is R2115. Again, a 4-piece train pack. So we have a power car, which is 43002. It does have TechnoQuest on it, but I can't actually recall it being listed anywhere as an actual named loco. But it is in the nameplate area, although this is only printed on, rather being in some sort of embossed nameplate. Again, reasonable level of detail, not as good as the more modern ones, but it still looks the part enough. And then pretty much the same in the dummy car 43124. It still has the cab detail in there as well, a couple of seats. I could always do something about opening these up and putting a driver in each of them. I have got some coaches in my collection where the manufacturers had put passengers in, and I've got some lighted ones, so it's something I could think about doing with all of my fleet. And then we have one of the coaches. Not too sure if they bothered matching the colour of the seats to the liveries or what they were in real life or not, but they seem to be semi-matching. Not one of the most colourful liveries, but it's still nice enough. Haven't actually got a livery on any of the Class 43s that I particularly dislike, but as I say, some are unfortunately just plainer than others. Well, I hope that helps for you to see what they look like if that is one you're looking for. Catch you again soon. Thank you.